Hi, welcome to Nicky's Veets. In the end, the only people that count are the audience, and the only thing that matters is, did they understand the message? So obviously what I'm trying to suggest here is that for lots of people, giving a presentation is about giving the presentation. They've been asked to give a presentation, right? They're doing it because it's good for their CV. They're doing it because they want to win the deal, right? They know why they're standing on stage delivering a presentation. But you're one person in this communication, and there's an audience of whatever it is, 100, 200, 1,000 people out there. They've all come to listen to you speak for a reason. And if you don't fulfill their desire for whatever it is that they came for, then you usually fail to achieve your objective. So we coach salespeople to always understand what's their purpose, but also what's the audience purpose. Why did they come? And then how can you satisfy that, give them what they need, and then have them go away? Ultimately, communication is only about, did you get the message across? Have you been able to have the audience understand the point you were making or the question you wanted them to think about at the end? If you just stand up and massage your own ego, you've probably failed on many levels. Thanks. Bye.